Hello, this is Professor Guyad with another lecture. Today we will be covering inheritance and polymorphism. The concept of inheritance in object-oriented programming is the fact that a subclass will inherit properties, attributes, methods from a superclass. And then polymorphism is the idea that you can have multiple forms, right? That's literally what polymorphism means, multiple forms of a superclass in shown in multiple subclasses. So let's go ahead and cover those two concepts. Sharing my screen. As you can see, we're back in Visual Studio Code. Here is a class that we created previously, the animal class. It had those three attributes, numLegs, name, noise. It had a constructor. It had a custom method, make noise. It had getters and setters. And we were testing all of that in the main method. We instantiated a animal object and defined its various attributes. And then we played around with it. Animal.java is the superclass. I have another class here called dog.java, which extends the animal superclass. Dog is the subclass, and we use this extends keyword to make use of the inheritance method, concept. So dog is now, with this extends keyword, can now inherit attributes and methods from the animal superclass. Here we have an attribute that is defined just for the dog class, string breed. So breed is a new attribute that we're introducing. On top of that, we can inherit all of the other properties from the animal class, the superclass, in the constructor for the dog class. And we do that using the super keyword. And we know that all dogs have 4 legs, so I basically hard-coded the number of legs to be 4 in this definition here. And then what I can do is I can incorporate this attribute that is unique to dogs, the breed, using the same method we used in the animal constructor, right? Using the this dot numLegs equals numLegs and so forth. We're doing this dot breed equals breed, so that whatever we define in the main method for the breed of the dog object that we instantiate, that will be the breed for the dog. And then here I have a custom method that is just for the dog class, and I named it for dogs only. And this will print the name of the dog, excuse me, and the is of the breed, and then the breed of the dog. So what's really cool about inheritance, we're going to see right here, is in the main method, is that I instantiate my dog object, right, using the dog class keyword, and then the new keyword. I named my variable, my object, Fido, and I gave it a number of legs 4, name Fido, noise is rough with an exclamation point, and breed Doberman, right? And then what's really cool, this is the coolest part, is that I'm able to make use of the make noise method that was defined in the animal class. I'm able to use that in the dog class on my dog object, so that we can recycle and reuse code, so that we don't have to constantly redefine new methods and attributes in each class that we create. So, right, I didn't need to put up here, rewrite in numLegs, string name, string noise. I didn't need to do that because we use the extends keyword and the superclass after it. So these were all inherited, num, legs, name, and noise, and then I just added breed to be specific to the dog class. I can make, like I said, I can recycle the make noise method for my dog class, which was defined in the animal class. And then I created my own specific custom method just for the dog class, so that when we run this, we should get rough, right? Make noise, because remember, make noise back here in the animal class printed the noise that the dog makes, and we defined the noise that the dog makes to be rough. And then we defined for dogs only to print the name is of the breed. And that's why we got Fido is of the breed Doberman, right? And so just to do it again for another dog, let's just define another dog. Dog Ellis equals new dog. And then 4 legs, Ellis. The noise is going to be, it can speak English, right? Let's just be funny with it. Hello there. And its breed is German Shepherd. And so for any dog that we define, the methods should work just the same. So this make noise should print hello there, and for dogs only should print Ellis is of the breed German Shepherd. Very good. Hello there, and Ellis is of the breed German Shepherd. Great. And then, right, we mentioned polymorphism. Animal can be used for multiple subclasses, not just dog.java. So if I were to create, save, and then we'll do like pig.java. Create a pig class, right? Extends animal, right? And then I have my main method and just give the pig an attribute. What would be an attribute for, color, string, color. And we need the constructor, public, pig. So I can just grab all of this from over here. And I'll hard code this to have, it's 4 legs. And then instead of breed, we have color. And this dot color equals color. And then again, a custom method for the pig. So public. So actually I can overwrite the make noise method of the animal class so that it does the pig goes wee, and so I can even overwrite methods, and I can give it like a custom method, for pigs only. Name plus is, right, and then the color. And then in main, we declare, so this is just to show you that we can use the animal superclass for multiple subclasses. Pig, oinky, equals new pig, and it has 4 legs. Its name is oinky. Noise is, actually I could put I believe if I make this static, I could use make noise in here. And color is pink. The Visual Studio Code. Oh, there we go. It fixed itself. And then if I do oinky dot make noise, it should say the pig goes wee wee. Oh, sorry, I'm just supposed to call. Oh no, okay. So I'll do a public stat and I'll also do public. Uh, hold on a second here. Let's keep this. Let's just define its noise as wee wee. And then we have oinky dot make noise, and we have oinky dot for pigs only. And if we run this, we get the pig goes wee wee, right? As we defined here, we overrode the make noise method of animal. That's the polymorphism part. And oinky is pink, right? Because that's only for the pigs method. I can't do oinky dot for dogs only in here because we defined no, this shouldn't work, right? Right, there's an exception because for dogs only is undefined for the type pig. It's only for dogs, right? So we have just learned inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance being that you have subclasses that inherit the attributes and methods from a superclass using the extends keyword. And polymorphism being the fact that we can use the same methods in the superclass in the subclasses that have been that inherit from the superclass. Thank you very much.